2017 Triumph Tiger 800 XRX. The new Tiger 800 range has been built to excel as an adventure bike, featuring a host of rider-focused technology such as the standard fitment of Triumph traction control and switchable ABS. The Tiger 800 is perfectly suited to long-distance rides as it is to tackling the tough stuff. The second-generation 800cc engine now features a ride-by-wire throttle system which provides smoother power delivery, better response, and lower emissions. The new Tiger 800 XR models offer a dynamic adventure bike range that truly deliver on the road. Powered by a 9.5 PS 800cc triple, the LCD screen displays time, ambient temperature, fuel gauge, gear indicator, odometer and journey distance. The Tiger 800 XRX and XCX models add more functionality with extended information including